Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Craft Kitsune box opening for you. Let's see what they have for us. Ooh, pretty much packed. Let's see what we got here. uvclay clear mica powder set, chameleon powders, 2 silicone tool set, and gold embellishments. Let's see. That's the clay. Okay. Let's open this up. Let's see what the clay looks like. Ooh. That looks good. I've seen some people use this, but somebody's gonna have to give me some hints on what to make with it. That's the gold embellishments. Oh, reusable bags. I love reusable bags. Oh. I think I'll keep this in here because it seems to be messy. That's some mica powders with 12 different colors. What's this again? Ooh, chameleon powders. Let's open this up. It looks like some kind of green color. I don't know what color it's supposed to turn into. Blue and purple? Okay. That looks good. Is this the same thing? I hope not. I hope it's not the same color. Pink? There's another nice reusable bag. I've been wanting a set of these for a while. I hear they're actually good for clay. They feel good. A full set, I like that idea. I love getting extra tools. Well, that's it. Short and sweet. Thank you for watching and supporting me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell so you know of any other future videos I may have. Have a great day. Namaste.